Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome back to, let's see, we're going to be doing a how to kill a kit with style. And I haven't been able to participate in that series for a little while, basically all summer. So what I'm trying to do is kind of condense my scrap space and get some things used up, figure out, kind of break down some kits, like collection kits, so I can build stash kits and that sort of thing. And one of those being is some maybe home stuff that I have. I have both the Sunny Days and the Carousel collection that are pretty much to their final stages. And so those are going to be this is what I'm going to use for my How to Kill a Kit with Style. Of course, it's September, so I am doing 30 days of sketches / Scraptember with the Scrappy Sisters and Laura Alberts, which means these have to fall in place with a sketch, and I'm not sure if they will, but I'm definitely going to try my best to make them work. So I think we'll start with this one first because of the fact that it's a little bit more condensed, and I'll have to find some 12 by 12 paper, obviously, because I don't have any. So what I do have is some stickers, a few stickers, and some chipboard. Now my goal will be, I'll probably get one layout done, and whatever's not done, I will break this apart and put them into like the colored things. And I have a little food container, but I have all my little embellishment containers, and I'll put that into there once this is done. And this sticker sheet will go into a drawer of sticker sheets that I have. Let's see what I have. I've got a little bit of paper. So I've got this sheet, which is perfect. I really love this, so I'll probably have that be something. And then I've got a little bit of this with some of the pink, which is right down at that bottom. I actually don't really like that at all, so I'll probably use this in some way. I have a couple tags. I have Play All Day and Shine that I can use for some titles if I need to. This is just a little bit of vellum that I think I had used for something else. And the layout is from Laura Ashley, and it's just a piece of vellum. So I'm going to keep it in there because it does work with it. And I'm going to take this green off because it's very distracting to me, that green, when that green's not in the collection. Okay, so a little bit of vellum. Oh, I have the word love too. And then I've got some 6x6 paper and 6x8 paper that I can go to and play with. And what I'll do is, if I don't end up using some of this, I'm going to toss the scraps that are in here at the end. But the other papers, I'll go through them, see if I actually like them. And if I do, they're going to go into my little basket that has 6x6 and 6x8 papers, so that again, it can be used and reached at when I try to go do some page kits. So I'm looking at this, and with the title availabilities and those two separate pattern papers that don't really go together, I'm going to say I should hopefully be able to get 2 layouts done with that. So that's going to be my goal, is to get 2 more layouts done with this one and then call it done. And I've made some really fun layouts with this collection. When it first came out, I had lots of fun playing with it. It has been one of my all-time favorite Maggie Holmes lines, actually. I really enjoyed playing with it. So it's time to do what I can with it and break the rest of it apart. And then we're going to switch, and it's kind of the complete opposite. So I don't really have many embellishments, if any, to be honest. I've got a couple. But I do not have much. I have a ton of paper though, a ton of paper still. So basically what that means is I probably won't get a ton used up with this. Most of it will probably end up going into my pile of scraps to be used for other page kits. But I'm gonna challenge myself to get at least 1 layout done with this collection, and I'll just have to bring in embellishments from somewhere else. I do have this thing of tickets that I just need to break down because I don't use it looking like this. I need it to be broken down so I can flip through it. And then yes, I do have some pretty paper, but like this is perfect, could totally be used. It's not a full 12 by 12, but it can totally be used as a background somewhere, so that's fine. Oh, you know what? I think I started a layout that I never finished. Look at that. Not even sure if this is Carousel Collection. I guess that is. That's not. Not sure what this is doing in there. Well, I don't know. It does match it. So maybe I will build off of this one to create that layout. We'll see. I have this as a 12 by 12, which is a great background for something kind of fun and sunny. It's got those tents at the back that I won't use, but I do think this is a great like sunburst. So we've got that one. And then there's this one that I'd really like to use as a background and create something with it. So a few background options and then just some random papers. And I have actually quite a bit of 6 by 8 papers still to use. And I've done quite a few layouts with this one too, I believe. So at the end of the month, when I do my wrap up, I'll share with you all the layouts that I had created with it, so you can have a little look at that. And there you go. So we're going to try and do one layout from this one because I don't have any embellishments. We'll get one there and I'll have to bring in embellishments. And we'll try to do 2 with the Sunny Days collection. That's what I have for you for today. Please make sure you check out what everyone else is going to be using for their How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I will see you guys all later. Bye everyone.